Okay, we can live with it without applying artificial. Somebody please send me help. I don't want to buy products, but I am still buying them.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Maahi, and today I'm recording a get ready with me video. It's Shaptami, it's the 7th day of Durga Puja, and it's also the 7th day of Navratri. Both of these are the same events though, but we call it different names. So I came from Mandir. I gave Pushpanjali in the Mandir, and now I'll go out with my friends. It's not friends, it's just one of my school friend. I'll go and meet her. So I thought of recording this video because like I have a lot of Nykaa. I bought a lot of Nykaa product this month also. Somebody please send me help. I don't want to buy products what are bad, but it's like I'm spending a lot of money. But anyways, so at first I thought that I'll make one Nykaa haul, then I get ready with my video. I thought, why not to do this entire thing as one single video, get ready with my video plus a Nykaa haul. So here we are. So at first I'll start by prepping my skin. I haven't done that yet. I just washed my face, and yeah, I'll just take you all with that in the entire process. My hair, I'm not sure how the audio is coming now, but let me just clutch my hair now because it's too hot, and my specs. Okay, so the first thing I'll apply is this minimalistic serum. This is not a new product for the haul, but I just like, this is for the preparation of skin. Here we are. My neck. Also do comment down below, how did you spend your Navratri or Durga Puja? How was everything? Like, it's finally the normal. Okay, so my next product I'm applying is this Cetaphil moisturizer. This is also not a product from the haul. I'll just start telling what are the products which I bought new. Okay, I always wanted to record a video like this, and it's so much fun to do. Done with my moisturizer. Okay, now the thing which I'll apply is a primer. I need to find a primer. I need to go and find the primer. I'll just come back in a minute.
2 hours later.
Back, guys. I'm stupid. It was there in my box. Only I couldn't find it. Little bit of the primer. Apply on my blemishes. I'm sweating already. I have done prepping my skin. The prep is done. Okay, so if you can see, I have a lot of like under eye dark circles up here, and that's need to be concealed, right? I'll take a little bit of this orange shade and I'll apply in my under eyes. Done that, and we'll take a little bit of the this green thing on my pimple, wherever I have pimples. Okay, so from the haul, the first thing I just wanted to show you this Swish Beauty Concealer. I have some issue with S word. Okay. Nice. Here's this beauty blender. I'll just spray a little bit of this makeup fixer which I bought which is a part of the Nykaa haul again. I just sprayed it. I have concealed my eyes. Okay, the eye concealing part is done. The next thing which I'll apply is Mamaearth foundation. Dab. makeup is all about blending. What I have learned by far, I think the base is ready. It looks good. The next thing. I don't have a setting powder. I never used one. The one I just use for a day-to-day basis. This Lakme rose powder मैं वही use करने वाली हूँ अभी. So that like I'll do my eyes now. Just the eyeshadow thing. I bought this new. This is a new Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I just love it. I just love it already because I tried it once yesterday. It was looking great on. I have another eyeshadow palette which is a big one. I don't remember the name, but mom is like, "Why do you want another eyeshadow palette?" I have to make her understand कि मम्मी उसमें वो colors नहीं है जो इसमें है. And she's like, "तू ऐसे भी बात नहीं सुनने वाली, वैसे ही बात नहीं सुनने वाली, so one bite. Here is it is." So I'll go very subtle with my eyes, taking this color, this one. I just little bit of it. I think आप लोग को दिख रहा है. Just zoom little bit. Not sure. As I here we am. As I'm just done with the blending, I'll just have a little bit of pink in the corners, and that's it for the eyes. For the pink, I'll be having this light pink, I guess. I think it's looking good now. I'm not sure whether it's coming or not, but it's looking better now, I guess. So we're done with the eyeshadow haul, so guys. Okay, the thing is, I don't do eyebrows, and I don't know how it is done. So I bought this Face Canada's eyebrow brush, and this is around 300 guys. 300 रुपये ले लिया मेरे से. लिया नहीं, मैंने ही दिया. तो let's try doing some brushy thing. I'll just go to this. Okay, by the way, eyebrows करना मैंने सीखा मेरी मम्मी से. ठीक है, she taught me how to do eyebrows. The most scariest part, I'll be doing my eyeliner. You guys also take the water break. I'll go and find my liner and come back again. Hello guys, water break khatam. I'm back again, so let's start. Here's my eyeliner. This is the very basic eyeliner which everyone has. People do use that pen wala thing also, but I don't really like the pen eyeliner, so I just go for this liquid eyeliner only. Okay, let's start with it. What I'll do is, there's a lining, like we have a natural lining for eyeliner. I just follow that only, and that's how. So the first thing I did, I just created the wing how I wanted it to be. So the wings is created, and I'll just join it with the eyelid. See, I didn't do the entire eyes yet, but it's giving me structure already. See. Both of the eyes are done. I'll just brush off the I won't brush off I'll do the glittery thing. No, what should I do first? Let me finish the eye. I'll apply this Hyper Curl It's waterproof mascara from Maybelline. I also bought, I recently just got it from Maybelline. It's part of the haul also. So it is. That's how my lashes look. And we are almost done, guys. Not almost, I still have them things to put on my face, but the face thing is almost done. I got this cute thing also. I love it. I'll just take a little bit. I'll just put in my cheekbones just to make it a little chumkungi mein. It's like a star. Blendy. The only thing you have to master while making is to blend things up. Guys, blend things up. Almost done, guys. We are almost done. So I'll brush off all the powdery thing which is there. तो मैंने करना है अब ये लाइनर ओपन. मेरे होठ बहुत पतला है, लाइक बहुत लिटिल. लोअर लिप्स तो तभी दिखता है, अपर लिप्स तो है ही नहीं. सो आई ड्रॉ माई लिप्स. आई एम दैट पर्सन हु ड्रॉ लिप्स, गाइस. ये मैंने प्लैनेट से लिया था, तो इसका वैसे सेम प्राइस. इट इज ऑल्सो 200 ओनली. This looks better. This looks good. For earrings, I'll go with these earrings. This makes me look pretty. ठीक है, the earrings हो गया है. For hands, I'm thinking, so I have these. I'm not sure what to do with my hairs, but let's put the bindi first, then only we can decide what to do with my hair. Depending on that, I'll set my hair. I cannot stand my open hairs. It's too hot. But this does look good. I think I'll go with this. But now this is the entire look. So we are done with the video. I'll just show you my entire outfit after completing that, and that's it for now. I'll show you the entire thing if I record anything. But usse pehle I just want to mention, in case I don't record, I want to mention that please do consider subscribing to my channel. Please let's hit 100 subs. So we are currently at 61, and I really wanted to hit 100 subscriber. So please do that, and thank you guys for watching this entire video, and ta-da!